Back in my day, pulling and testing water samples was a nightmare. I've been here for years. But Hank here, well,
here we go.
Hank got lucky because his first day here was also the day we got this. Before we got this bad boy, we couldn't exactly afford to kick it like him. Everything had to be done manually, and waiting in the lab for the results would take hours. We had to replace the tubing constantly because the peristaltic pumps required a ton of maintenance. My coworker Hank here, he can't even spell peristaltic.
Yeah, I can.
Go ahead and do it then.
You're not my mom.
That's not even the worst part. If one little measurement was miscalculated, or if someone like Hank was doing the measuring,
It was a small explosion.
no, Samantha had to go to the hospital
She's fine.
after several massive surgeries. My point is, before the Narwhal came, we were losing a ton of time, money, and sanity. Now that it's here, everything's changed. Now I'm just losing my sanity.
Narwhal automates time-consuming lab-based tests for an array of water quality applications, and the 7-inch intuitive touchscreen allows for easy customization and data monitoring.
If you want to spend less time waiting on lab results, and if you don't want your coworkers to undergo massive surgeries, well then check out the Narwhal at narwhalwaterquality.com and get yours today.
You really should. The Narwhal is super easy to manage. It basically does all my work for me. Lets me keep beating Kent's high score at Astrid Smasher 2.
How did you get a job here? The Narwhal takes a reading every 10 minutes, exponentially cutting wait times for your lab. This could save your company hundreds, if not thousands, of working hours each year.
Yeah, I like that.
This machine is practically a gold mine. The Narwhal uses half the amount of reagents as its competitors, allowing you to make more measurements per reagent cycle, saving facilities thousands in reagent costs each year. It also reduces waste, so this baby's green in more ways than one. The Narwhal is also essential in helping you avoid shutdowns and equipment failure by effectively eliminating the possibility for human error.
Hey, check this out. Oh yeah.
This data shows that the day we deployed the Narwhal, we started saving more money than ever.
Exactly, thank you.
It looks like this was also the day that Hank started working here.
Huh? More of a coincidence.
Numbers don't lie. Hank, would you like a promotion?
Yeah.
All right.
So, if you're sick of wasting time waiting on test results, you want to avoid facility shutdowns, if you want to save time and money on reagent costs, then get your Narwhal today. Go to www.narwhalwaterquality.com and get yours.
Kent, get back to work.
Yes, sir.
I feel like most of, Kent's job could be replaced by a computer. I think we just got like a couple more computers.
You think?
I think so. The numbers don't lie. If the numbers say we're better off without Kent, we're better off without Kent.
Numbers, yeah, scoreboard.
Well,
All
who's going to read the report, though?
I would love to see Hank read the report. I would pay